me again, Vargas Landscaping, El Tico, Pura Vida. We can see here the Odora here, 6-hole butch tree. This one looks in pretty good shape. This one here, maybe I just cut one branch like this and maybe like that, and look, that's it, and look pretty balanced. But we coming to give a look to this one here, and this one, the shape is totally off. So again, in this small tree, we are going to help this tree to be a beautiful tree in the future with a beautiful branch structure. So we are going to help this tree with to build a nice branch structure for the future. So this branch here, I'm going to pull out this way. I am not going to Home Depot to buy stakes. I build my own stakes. They will last enough to keep the branch here for a year, and that is all the time they need to build up. So in here, that's it. And we drive this stake down just enough to hold the branch. Then we come in here with this tape, quick. We pull it in here, tie the branch in here. Remember, in 6 months, a year, we need to remove this tape because the tape could damage the branch. When the branches start getting thicker, the branch damage the bark of the branch. So now I tie that one like in there. That will be good. One term, break it. Sunset, this much time is all they need to build the future branches, main branch structure of this tree. That is all they need this time, few minutes. So we get a stake in here. This other branch, you get to pull it this way, sunset like so. So here will be okay. Tie the branch in here. Main branch structure formation. In a young tree, they need it. They need it. Don't leave them alone. So in here, that looks pretty good in there. Popping. This in here, you're going to this tree, these branches, they're going to start getting back here because they're going to start looking for the direct sunlight in there. And then, but now the branches are in the right position, and this tree, it will have a beautiful branch structure for the future. So we are saving the beautiful canopy shape of this tree. So I hope this video helping you one more time to build the main structure of a small tree, a large shrub, like that one in there. You can see the difference between before and now. And now we just let them branches to grow, and in the next 6 months, a year, we remove the tape, and the tree is going to continue by his own and having a nice branch structure. So you like my videos, I'll continue making you videos. See you the next time. Hasta la vista, mi amigo. Pura vida.